everybody. Hope you are doing alright out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to the YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. We appreciate you. Big shout out to all the customers for the business support. We appreciate you here at Donkey Stomper Products. Alrighty guys, we've got an 8-pill repair review. I want to go over a couple things here first. Guys, if you're watching this, if you send a box in here, it's an older box, and it's got some transistors blowed in it, just go ahead and plan on me changing them all before you send it, because I'm not going to keep patching them up. What happens is, like, this box had two blowed in two different sections, and the rest of them's weak. And what happens is, if I just patched it and made it work, send it back, guy pays roughly what shipping costs, $60 to $80 one way, anywhere from $50 to $100 to one way from you to me. Well, you got $100 shipping involved. I patch it up, it blows a pill. You ship it back again, and you got another $100 shipping involved. So now you got $200 shipping involved. Then it blows again, now you got $300 shipping involved. Well, what we could have done to start with, your amp's still not fixed. You're mad at me. You're mad because you're paying shipping. I'm mad at you because you keep sending it back. Everybody's tired and upset. And what ends up happening is just an unpleasant situation. So from now on, if you've got a box with the older box with like transistors that's been running a year or something, if it's got any blow transistors in it, I'll be changing them all. Regular HG is $50 a piece. HGC, $65 a piece per pill. That includes tuning, resistors, or whatever else needs to be changed in there. And you pay the freight. I just want to let you guys know that up front. I've made video after video, and some reason or another, it's just not sinking in. Another thing is, guys, when you ship something in here, if it's from a UPS store, it don't have a name or number or note in it, I have no idea to know who it is from. I may remember talking to you about it, but I don't know what you need or where it's from. So if you do that, then just sit here until you message me, because I won't even try to fix it until I hear from you. Because I've got a couple lamps over there right now. I don't have no clue who they belong to. I remember the guy messaged me a while back about them, but there's two of them he sent, and I just can't remember that. I'm not going to chase you down and find your name and number. I done looked for messages from this guy for about 2 hours. I'm not doing it. They can just sit there until you contact me. And another thing while we're on that, as far as like when you get something fixed, I'm going to ask you one time for the payment. You got 30 days to pay it. If you don't pay it, it'll be for sale. Alrighty guys, now that I've got all my complaints out there, and maybe y'all can hear that and understand it. We've got an 8-pill box right here, and it's a repair review. We put 8 new transistors in it, retuned the input and output, added electrolytics, went all the way through it. It's by a different builder. Not saying it was built wrong, but it's blowed up, and I was able to make it do a little better, and there it is, it's fixed. This will be the last repair I do before I start Mopar's 4-pill base. I'm going to do a review on a 2x8 I sold that's in stock, and a review on a 2-pill I sold. Then it's Mopar's base, and then if you got any more repairs or you're waiting on builds, you know what's going down. It'll be a while. Alright guys. Alright, looking at straight through SWR like we do it. Turn off the driver. Straight through SWR, look at the meter on the right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, 0 SWR. Turn him on. Yeah, I started to make a video about all this, but I just get tired of making videos and videos and videos, and so that's just the way it's going to be. Alright, the 8-pill's on. Input SWR, worldwide, done. Output PUP, 836P. 1, 2, 1, 2. 99 drive. That's real good numbers. Go over and hit the 2-pill. Let's see what else to show you. We're going to be putting into it. I'm going to be driving pretty good. Hello? Hello? So let's back that down a little bit. Hello? Put about 264 into it. And I don't have the carrier set, so the average will be low. Let me see if I can set the carrier for you. All right, that's close enough. Driver, 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 worldwide, worldwide. We're dropping down to 14 point. I got the voltmeter in there for long. I'm gonna do a new voltmeter. We're dropping down like 14.3, so that's really good numbers right there. Worldwide, worldwide. Driver, 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 driver. 1, 2, 3. We'll go up here just for fun. Put it meter beating mode. Hello, meter beating mode, meter beating mode. 14.3, worldwide, worldwide. Bring the voltage up to about 14.7. Hello, worldwide, worldwide's 14.5, 14.5, 14.6, worldwide, worldwide. Donkey, donkey, stomper. Get on down on my little 8 pill. Alrighty, we'll go over here and we'll grab our outdoor dummy load, the colossal. Dummy load. The colossal outdoor dummy load. Go back with radio drive, rating LP100. Hello, worldwide, 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 worldwide. 877 some change. Worldwide. Alright, we're going to turn on the driver and meter beating mode. Hello, worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We got some skipping there on the colossal dummy load. Radio check, break, break. Hello, Mojave Desert, 018 Tennessee on the test bench, waving. Didn't really figure he'd come back. I don't have good conditions to the west, really. But, there it is, bud. Your APL's all up, ready to go. Should be good as new. Good box. I'm real happy with it. I've got your 1x4, same guy. We'll get you took care of. And that's about all I got for you guys. Good evening time, everybody. Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to the YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. We appreciate you. Big shout out to all the customers for the business support. We appreciate you here at Donkey Stomper Products.